The year During college, Elon did something unusual, something that reveals how deeply financial discipline shaped him. He decided to run an experiment. Could he survive on $1 a day? And he did. Rice, hot dogs, oranges. That was it. Why? Because Elon Musk wanted to prove to himself that survival was cheap, so he could take big risks without fear. This mindset, embracing risk, became the engine of his financial destiny. Chapter 3. The First Rise, Zip 2. In 1995, after college, Elon Musk made the decision that would change everything. He dropped out of a Stanford PhD after just 2 days. He believed the internet was about to explode, and he didn't want to watch from the sidelines. With his brother Kimball, he started a company from a small rented office, which doubled as their bedroom. They slept on the floor. They showered at the local YMCA, and they coded day and night. The company was called Zip2. It provided online business directories for newspapers. It was the first of its kind. Investors ignored them. Newspapers mocked them. No one thought the internet mattered. But Elon kept going. In 1999, Compaq bought Zip2 for $307 million. Elon Musk walked away with $22 million. He was only 27 years old. For most people, this would be the end of the story. Retire, buy a mansion, live peacefully. But not Elon. He had a belief. If you have money, you must use it to create something meaningful. So instead of saving, he risked everything again.
Chapter 4. X.com and the PayPal War. Elon invested $12 million, more than half of everything he owned, into a new idea: online banking. Musk, once a millionaire, was now so broke that he had to borrow money for rent. Yes, the future richest man on Earth had no money to pay rent. But he kept going. Chapter 6. The Christmas Miracle. NASA. On September 28, 2008, SpaceX launched its fourth rocket. It succeeded. For the first time in private space history, a rocket built by a private company reached orbit. But SpaceX was still almost out of money. Then, on December 23, 2008, just 2 days before Christmas, NASA awarded SpaceX a $1.6 billion contract. In a single moment, everything changed. SpaceX was saved. Tesla was saved. Elon Musk was saved. He later said, "I think this may be the closest I've ever come to a nervous breakdown." That one contract became the foundation of a $1 trillion future. Chapter 8. The Rise of Tesla. 10 years ago, people laughed at electric cars. They called Tesla a toy company. They said no one would buy electric vehicles. But Tesla kept improving. Better batteries, faster cars, software updates, over-the-air improvements, superchargers worldwide. By 2013, Tesla had its first profitable quarter. By 2018, the Model 3 became the best-selling electric car on Earth. By 2020, Tesla's stock exploded over 740%. Elon Musk became the richest person in the world. From borrowing rent money to becoming a multi-hundred billionaire in just over a decade. This wasn't luck. This wasn't a bubble. This was the result of relentless, painful, almost impossible effort. Chapter 9. The Philosophy of Risk and Reward. Elon Musk's financial life is built on 4 rules. Rule number 1. Invest in yourself first. Zip2 to coding. PayPal to software. Tesla to engineering. SpaceX to physics. He didn't chase trends. He built skills. Rule number 2. Reinvest everything. Musk didn't buy yachts or mansions. He reinvested 100% of his wealth into his ideas. It's the opposite of what rich people usually do. Rule number 3. Think in decades, not days. Everyone thinks short-term. Elon Musk designs for the next 30 to 50 years. Rule number 4. Failure is data. Rocket explodes? Learn from it. Car malfunction? Fix it. Economy collapses? Innovate faster. To Musk, failure is not defeat. Failure is information. Chapter 9. The Twitter Gamble. In 2022, Elon Musk shocked the world again by buying Twitter for $44 billion. Critics called it a disaster. Analysts called it foolish. People mocked him. But Elon Musk doesn't think in months. He thinks in eras. Twitter wasn't a financial purchase. It was a strategic one. A platform that shapes culture. A platform that distributes information. A platform that could evolve. He renamed it X, the same dream he started with, X.com, in 1999. In Elon's world, everything connects. Every decision builds on the last. Everyone is talking about the Elon Musk they think they know, but they miss the truth. People see cars, they see rockets, they see money, but they miss the truth. Elon Musk is driven not by wealth, but by possibility. As he once said, "I am not trying to be anyone's savior. I just want to think about the future and not be sad." His companies are simply tools. Tesla to sustainable energy. SpaceX to multiplanetary future. Neuralink to brain-machine interface. Starlink to global communication. He invests in problems, not profits. And ironically, That's why he became wealthy. Chapter 11. The financial lessons we can learn. Elon Musk's financial journey teaches us 5 powerful lessons. Number 1. Comfort destroys creativity. He lived cheaply so he could take risks. Number 2. Master skills before chasing money. Musk became valuable because he mastered software, physics, engineering, and business. Number 3. Failures are investments. Each failure bought knowledge. Number 4. Risk early when the downside is low. Musk risked big before he had a family, fame, or responsibilities. Number 5. Build what the world needs, not what it wants. That's where true value lies. Chapter 12. The final message. Elon Musk's story is extraordinary not because he became rich, but because of how he became rich. He wasn't born wealthy. He wasn't lucky. He wasn't protected. He earned money, he lost money, and then he earned it again, in a way no one in history ever had. From a bullied boy in South Africa, a student surviving on $1 a day, a young entrepreneur sleeping in an office, a founder fired from his own company, a millionaire who lost everything, a broke man borrowing rent money, to the richest person on earth, to the owner of multiple billion-dollar companies, to the man trying to take humanity to Mars. Elon Musk proved something powerful. Success isn't about money. Success is about surviving long enough to watch your ideas win. And that is the financial growth story of Elon Musk. If you want more financial growth-related audiobooks, like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.